Hey, what's up guys? Let's get started. Here's what we're going to do today. This is the tutorial video for your demo in class on laser cut box making. Today we're just going to figure out how to download the plans and go ahead and start making our box. So the first thing we need to do is open up the internet and open up Illustrator. Back to the internet, let's Google laser cut box maker. The first selection that should come up is right here. This is by enmakercase.com. Go ahead and click on that one. Once inside, we're going to select simple boxes. As you can see, there's lots to play with here. Today, just the simple box. All right. Here's the screen right here. You can see your box. As you interact with the tools over here, the box will change. And we're going to do that right now. We're going to set our width to 2 inches. We're going to tab down to height. We'll set it for 2 inches. Tab down once more to depth. And we get a 2-inch by 2-inch box. We want the dimensions to be the outside. That means if you were measuring the outside line, it would be 2 inches by 2 inches all the way around. That includes the thickness of the materials here. That's going to come in handy here in a second. So, speaking of material thickness, today we're going to select 1/8 inch material thickness. Now, I might have you measure out a material in class, but for the sake of the demo, we can do 1/8 of an inch. We want to make sure the box is closed. That means it has a lid on top right there. Open, of course, removes that lid. Going down now to edge joints, we have flat, which you can see previewed here. We have finger joints, which are just these little slots right here, and then T-slots. T-slots are cool and complicated. Today we're going to use finger joints. So go ahead, you can select whatever size you'd like. I'm going to make mine 0.97 because I like big, simple notches here, much easier to work with. I'm going to go ahead and download those box plans. I'm going to download them as an SVG. And does this look familiar? These red sort of cut lines here. Go ahead and download that SVG. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into Illustrator and open those up. So in Illustrator, I'm going to create a board that's 12 by 12 inches. That's the piece of wood you're going to get for this project. So it makes sense to set it up that way from the beginning. So again, the width is 12, the height is 12. I have one artboard. I have my color mode set to RGB, and I'm going to go ahead and create. All right, now let's go ahead. My screen might look a little different than you because I'm on a Mac, but I'm going to go File, Place, and in my downloads should be the box plans I just got. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and place those. Oh, it's taking its sweet time here. Okay. Click that. So what you get is you get these 6 shapes with these big gray innards. We're going to go ahead and we're going to select the whole thing. We're going to right click, ungroup, and then we're just going to select one of these gray boxes. Looks like I'll have to ungroup twice. Alright, so I'm going to select one. Instead of shift selecting all of them, I'm simply going to go up to select, same fill color, and I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. Now, what I do normally is if I was designing a box that had all different sides, I would keep all 6 here. But because my box today for class in this demo is only going to have the 3 sides and we would duplicate 2 of them. Again, so look, we have one of these, those are the same. One of these, those are the same. Same here for the top and the bottom. So we can actually go ahead and delete those 2. Because if we were going to make a box where there was only a design on 2 or even 3 of the sides, all we need is to design the 3 pieces, or at max, or 2 pieces at max 3, and then we could actually do them multiple times over. So then we'd get our complete box. This makes it easier because if you're using scrap wood or something else, it allows you to make your design smaller. So let's go ahead and make a couple quick changes here. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and make sure my red is the correct color. I'm going to double click over here. It looks like that's the correct color. Now we're going to make it the correct width. 0.001 for the thickness. Looking good. And then I'm just going to put my name inside this one with the text box. And I'm going to go align that in this box here. I'm going to go ahead and group that. I'm going to select all 3 boxes. I'm going to align them vertically like this. And that's it. I'm going to save that and I'm going to turn in my work on canvas. That's all you have to do for this demo.